best motorcycle for beginners. Honda NC750X. Motorcycling, with its promise of adventure, freedom, and the thrill of the open road, has always been a dream for many. For beginners stepping into this world, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Honda NC750X, celebrated for its accessible power, versatile performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as the ultimate adventure motorcycle for those commencing their journey into the world of two-wheeled exploration. With its balanced performance, adaptable design, and rider-focused features, the NC750X provides an ideal platform for beginners to begin their journey of skill development, excitement, and adventure riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda NC750X lies a capable 745cc parallel twin engine. This engine offers a harmonious blend of power and approachability, providing sufficient performance for a thrilling adventure while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Adventure-ready design and aesthetic appeal. The NC750X boasts an adventure-ready design that reflects its capability to handle diverse terrains. Its robust lines, practical fairings, and distinctive styling elements capture the essence of adventure touring, appealing to riders seeking a bike that's both visually appealing and built for exploration. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also take pride in the NC750X's adventure-inspired aesthetic. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. The NC750X is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers an upright and comfortable riding position that ensures ease during long journeys and daily commutes. The well-contoured seat, wide handlebars, and neutral footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Versatile handling and nimble agility. The Honda NC750X is celebrated for its versatile handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, responsive steering, and adaptable characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate a variety of terrains, from city streets to winding country roads. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the NC750X often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to master the motorcycle, especially in varied riding conditions. Urban commutes and adventure escapes. The NC750X's versatility extends beyond daily commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban commuting and adventure escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand and the NC series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for adventure riding and the NC750X's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda NC750X encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of adventure touring. Innovative storage solutions. The NC750X features an innovative storage compartment where the fuel tank typically resides. This compartment offers convenient storage for helmets, riding gear, or groceries, adding practicality to the adventure experience. Fuel efficiency and cost savings. The NC750X is renowned for its fuel efficiency, which not only reduces environmental impact but also translates into cost savings for riders. It enables longer adventures without frequent fuel stops. Conclusion. The Honda NC750X exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing the perfect adventure motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, adventure-ready design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the NC750X offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of adventure riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda NC750X as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for exploration, versatility, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels.